So one more tool that will be very helpful to you if you are trying to reconstruct some of these elements. We will be trying to produce these cut paths for our laser cut model. And what I've done to do that is essentially sort of steel pieces that I knew were going to be part of that cut path. So I'm actually at this moment trying to create a base for the building, which has a kind of poche in the back, a kind of extending this ground, and then also extending this ground into the bar, which I know is going to be sort of a solid feature. You can see I've got elements on each of these levels, and so set point is going to be important to me. But the other thing I'm going to need is to basically be able to dissect this surface in order to sort of pull out its curves. So you'll see that this is a surface when I select it. What I really want is the line around the surface. So I'm going to use the extract wireframe, and you'll see now that I still have the surface, but I also have all of the curves associated with that surface. I had already taken a surface off so that it would be relatively simple. But I can remove the surface, and now really I'm left with the curves. I can use the set point to get everything back on the same layer. And what I'm trying to do is really kind of fill that poche space. So I'm going to do a combination of trimming and joining different surfaces back together in order to kind of recreate those layers. You can see I've got the first one done over here. I've already rebuilt that layer and then re-extruded it. So now I'm starting to have kind of really simple descriptions of these. You know that they get kind of torn up, and sometimes we just have to rebuild certain pieces. So let's do that.